Are you looking to expand your knowledge and advance your career, but have limited access to quality education? Well, Indian government has taken a revolutionary step to provide free online courses through a platform known as Swayam, allowing everyone to access teaching and learning resources regardless of their location or financial situation. This initiative is aimed at bridging the digital divide and empowering students who have missed out the digital revolution. So in this video, we'll take a deep dive into Swayam's free courses, discussing everything you need to know, including a step-by-step guide to access these courses in regional languages. So sit tight and get ready to discover the world of knowledge at your fingertips. Hi, I'm Harsha. I'm a content writer who is passionate about making education accessible to everyone, regardless of the background or financial status. Through my blog, Aspired Wisdom, I provide free courses and learning tips to help you improve your skills and achieve your goals. I'm dedicated to provide high-quality resources that can help you develop your skills and unlock your full potential. So, let's know something about Swayam. What is Swayam and what is the history of Swayam? Swayam stands for Study Web of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. It is an initiative of the Government of India's Ministry of Education. It was launched in 2017 as a part of Digital India campaign and aims to provide high-quality education to learners across India. The idea of Swayam originated from the vision of the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who wanted to create a national platform for education that leveraged technology to provide access to high-quality education to all. The idea was further developed by the Ministry of Human Resources Development, now known as Ministry of Education, and Swayam was officially launched on July 9, 2017. Since its launch, Swayam has grown exponentially and currently offers over 2,000 free courses on a wide range of topics. The courses are developed by the professors and faculty members of the top institutes in India, including Institute of Technology, Institute of Management, Institute of Science. Swayam has developed as a response to the growing need for accessible and affordable education in India. It was designed to bridge the digital divide and make education accessible to all by providing online courses that are interactive and engaging. The platform provides access to the high-quality education and offers a wide range of topics including engineering, science, humanities, management, and more. Swayam also aims to promote lifelong learning and skill development. It provides learners with the access to high-quality education from the top institutions in India, regardless of their location or financial situation. The courses are available in regional languages, making it easier for the learner to understand and engage with the material. Additionally, the platform offers academic credit for completing courses, which makes it an excellent resource for learners looking to further their education and career prospects. The courses are designed to be interactive and engaging, with the video lectures, reading material that can be downloaded and printed. Then they also have tests, quiz for self-evaluation, and a discussion board for question and answers. Swayam has been coordinated by the 9 national coordinators. There are 9 coordinators that have been appointed to ensure the creation and delivery of the government free courses with high quality content. These 9 national coordinators are: the IICTE has approved them for the self-paced and international course. NPTEL is used in engineering, UGC for non-technical post-graduation education, CEC for undergraduate studies, NCERT for school education, NIOS for school education, IGNOU, IG and OU for out-of-school students, IIMB for business studies, NITTR, which stands for National Institute of Teachers and Training Research, to help teachers to train them. Swayam courses are recognized by the Indian government and university, which means that completing these courses can lead to academic credit and certification. The University Grant Commission, UGC, which is responsible for maintaining the standard of higher education in India, has issued regulations that allow for credit transfer for Swayam courses. According to the UGC regulation, universities must update their policies and procedure to include clauses allowing for credit mobility and MOOCs on the Swayam platform. This means that students who complete Swayam courses can transfer credit towards their degree program, subject to the university policies and guidelines. Upon completing the Swayam courses requirement, students will receive certificate of degree and diploma, which can be used to demonstrate their skills and knowledge in their chosen field. These certificates will have credit mobility for academic credits, which means that the credits earned from completing Swayam courses can be transferred to a university program. However, it is important to note that under current UGC regulation, only 20% of the course in a degree level program may be elective. This means that students must still fulfill the core requirement of their degree program and cannot substitute all of their courses with Swayam courses. Nonetheless, completing Swayam courses can be a valuable addition to students' education and career prospects. Swayam offers over 2,000 courses in a wide range of subject areas. Some of the popular areas of the study include engineering, management, humanities, social science, mathematics, computer science, education and training, natural science, law, commerce, etc. The courses are available in several Indian languages including Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Gujarati, Urdu, and among others. This ensures that learners from diverse backgrounds can access these courses in their preferred language. Now let's understand how to access the courses in regional languages. To access the courses, you need to follow these 3 steps. First, go to the Swayam website. When you are at the website, you need to choose regional language. So when you click on it, you will be directed to this particular page where you will select regional language. When you arrive at this page, click on any options. After selecting YouTube, Swayam or NPTEL, you will be taken to a guide which will walk you through the steps to access the courses in the regional languages. All the courses are available in self-paced and traditional learning format in a range of length, with or without credit. You have freedom to select anything you want. Swayam is a fantastic initiative by the Government of India to provide free education to all the citizens. Courses on Swayam are free, but the certificate can be purchased for a small fee of 1,000 rupees. Only if you want the certificate, but you'll need the certificate for the credit transfer. The best thing about Swayam is that it is accepted by all the country's university. You can study online for credit, which will be added to your marksheet. So this is it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. 99% of you people forget to subscribe to my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell to stay updated on my latest video. Please leave a comment letting us know your thoughts, as your feedback motivates us to create more informative contents for you. Bye for now. See you in next video.